Good afternoon, dear teacher and classmate. Today, the topic today is a phonetic alphabet. My name is Doris Orpala, and continue the explication of this topic. Continue. Now I'm going to talk about this topic is phonetic alphabet, and I'm going to definition this topic. The alphabet, also known as the alphabet, is a structured representation of letters that make up the language. The English alphabet is made up of 26 letters and 5 vowels: A, E, A, O, U, and 21 consonants: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, B, W, X, Y, and Z. On the contrary, in Spanish, alphabet has 27 letters in total. Thus, mentioning about pose one more consonant, the N. So continue. I continue with this vowel sounds A. Usually the E, when it is at the end of the word, is not pronounced. It is a silent. I scotted this vowel E. Now continue. This is my examples. Listen to me. Plan. Plan. 10. Cap. Now, when you use the short words and you put the E in short and long words, the sound is, for example, pan, but you put E, play. Now in 10 is time. For example, what time is it? Cap, cape. Continue with more examples in vowel E. Hop, tap, bet, cat, rip. Now listen the pronunciation when you put A. Hop, tub, bite, kit, right. Is the difference when you use the E in the word long and you don't use the E in short word. It's very important. Now, teacher and classmate, thank you so much for your attention in this explication. Have a wonderful day and bye. Thank you. This is my reference, and thanks so much. Bye.